and welcome back to my channel. It's been a little bit since I last did a 5 product face video, but today I am back with a new one. So these are the 5 products that I'll be using in today's look. So I'm going to begin with concealer, of course. If you're brand new to my channel, I don't really like wearing foundation. I prefer just using concealer, mainly apply it on the center of my face, and then I just sheer it outwards. And the one that I am using is the one by Rare Beauty, which has been my favorite concealer of the year. Now I'm going to add some color to my face. I am choosing to use some bronzer, and this guy is by Kimchi Chic Beauty. This is the Thaler bronzer in the shade I Went to Malibu. So I'm just going to place a little bit underneath my cheekbones, a little on the nose, a little on the jaw, just adding some healthy color to my face. Otherwise, I will look very sickly. So I am just going to go in and just blend it out. With this particular formula, I do like depositing the color first, and then I go in and start doing all the blending. I'm also going to be using this bronzer as eyeshadow as well, so I'm going to just apply it on the crease area and just blend it out very softly. I am also going to take that same bronzer and I'm going to just smudge it on the lower lash line. If you want a very soft and diffuse look, you can just use that same fluffy brush. If you want it more precise, you can kind of just pinch that crease brush and just, control where you're going to be placing the bronzer. I like a very diffuse look. Now for blush, I am using a cream blush. This guy is from Tower 28. It is the more brighter pink that they have in their collection. And this I'm just going to apply like I usually do. So I've been doing a lot of horizontal blush placement. I just like the way this looks. It looks very youthful and fresh in my opinion, so I am going to be doing that type of blush placement again today. And I'm also going to take that same blush formula with my fingertip and I'm going to be using it as eyeshadow. So these guys by Tower 28 are very multi-purpose products. So you can use them on your cheeks, you can use them on your lids, and you can also use them on your lips. So this guy is also going to be my lip color, and with this formula I really like it because it doesn't dry down to a powder matte finish, so it still remains quite creamy and it's very comfortable as a lip product, so I highly recommend. Now I am using the Kimchi Chic highlighter, and I just kind of mix the two shades. It has a more pale, kind of a not a silvery but a paler, cooler tone highlighter, as well as another shade that's a little bit warmer. So I just kind of mixed them up, applied them on top of my cheekbones, on the inner corners of the eye, underneath the brow bone, and I'm also going to pop just a little bit on the center of my eyelid. Since I'm not using any eyeliner in today's look, I am just going to really try to focus most of the mascara along the lash line. That's where you're seeing me kind of hold the brush up and just deposit as much product near the lash line. That way it'll give kind of the effect of a little bit of eyeliner. It just makes the lash line look a lot thicker. So I applied it on the top and bottom lashes, and whatever is left on the brush, like barely any product. Since my brows are pretty much black, I just kind of ran the brush through my brows very lightly. I didn't want them to look super blocky with like mascara, and that's pretty much it. I used all 5 products in multiple ways. The overall look is very fresh, very clean, and it's super easy and quick to do. So it's perfect for anyone who doesn't want to spend a lot of time on their makeup or anything like that. I'm showing off my shirt. The Luna and Artemis shirt from Sailor Moon. But yeah, this look was super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know if you did by giving this video a like. Let me know in the comments if you liked it, and I will see you guys very, very soon in my next video. So subscribe to keep up with my videos. I'll see you soon. Bye!